Here we go, CNC group break number 5844. We are on to the 11-12 Series 110 and 13-14 Select 2 starts. So we start with a jumbo for the Washington Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Ultimate Team for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. Hockey Heroes for the Boston Bruins, Milt Schmidt. Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens, Rafael Diaz. Canvas for the New York Rangers, Marian Gaborik. Well, that didn't take long to go to hell. Anytime we get issues, I'll just fix it between videos. That way I don't have to put up twice as many half YouTube videos. All-World Team for the Boston Bruins, David Krejci. Worst case scenario, guys, I'll go back to the really old crappy camera that had no issues with breakers, if that's what it is. So, Young Guns for the Nashville Predators, Craig Smith. I know that's not ideal, but at least we'll get through a break then, because I'm now almost 100% positive it's the new camera. Alberta game jersey for the Vancouver Canucks, Alex Burrows. So when I'm done with the select in the Series 1 here, I'll switch to the old camera and we'll see if that fixes it. Canvas for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Young Guns for the Carolina Hurricanes, Justin Falk. So now onto the select, and then I'll switch cameras. All right, we've got a rookie autograph number to 199 for the Calgary Flames, Roman Chervenka. Rainbow for the Arizona Coyotes, Shane Doan. So wait, now it's fine? That makes even less sense. Freezers for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Well, let's get a really tight focus and see if that screws with it at all. Jonathan Quick. And a rookie for the Predators, Daniel Bang. I'm glad it's working, but that just confuses me further. And good timing for it to get good. We've got a Select Stars jersey and autograph numbered 7/25 for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. 7/25 for the Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Fire on Ice for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Rainbow for the Ottawa Senators, Bobby Ryan. And we've got a rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers, Jason Akeson. All right, so coming up next, Retro and Trilogy.